Hey there, I'm Thomas from Cardinal Valley Farm. This will be a quick instructional video on how to fold out this pull-out coach and how to fold it back up into the coach. Thanks for listening.
There are a few additional parts and tools included with your coach. There is a 7/16 wrench, a number 4 Allen key, 2 wooden dowels, and 4 additional support legs. The first step to unfolding the coach is to unscrew and remove the back support leg. The back support leg will be used for the bed mode as well, so just set it off to the side, keeping it nearby. Next, we'll grab the pull-out bed frame and slide it out like a giant drawer. Once that is slid out, we will now reinstall the back support leg. All of the support legs will have an adjustable leg which can be adjusted up and down by using the 7/16 wrench that is included. Now install the front support leg and adjust the foot as required. Now we'll move on to the bed frame. There are 6 support legs that are attached to the bed frame that all need to be folded down. Each support leg will have 2 bolts. The first step will be to unscrew the bolt that is away from the double holes. When the bolt is unscrewed, fold the leg down into place. Each of the support leg screws will have 2 washers. When reinstalling the support leg screw, make sure that there is a washer on either side of the support leg. Finally, line up both of the support leg screws with the holes and tighten the leg up securely. We'll now repeat this for each of the remaining 5 fold down support legs. The bottom of each support leg is adjustable by adjusting the foot with your fingers. Now we'll take our 2 wooden dowels and place each one in one of the holes at the end of the bed frame. Now it's time to pull out the bed frame. Grab the end of the top layer of the bed frame and pull it out towards you. Lay down the bed onto the bed frame gently and ensure that the 2 holes at the end of the bed will line up with the dowels at the end of the bed frame. Next, we'll take our 2 additional support legs and slide them underneath the side of the rails about halfway through the bed frame. There'll be one for either side of the bed, and then they can be adjusted using the 7/16 wrench on the bottom legs.
And there you have it. We've pulled out the coach into its bed form, just following those few simple steps, and basically to get it back up into the coach form, we're going to just do everything in reverse.